Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Ajinanda tanuja kinkaram patitam mam vishami bhavam budao. If we don't sit in this space shuttle, then Vishame Bhavam Budao, there will be gravitational pull, there will be pull of the modes, there will be Kripayang Tava Pada Pankaja Stita Dhuli Sadrisham Vichintayam. That's why Nanda Tanuja Krishna placed me as a dust particle at your lotus feet. At your lotus feet, dust particle. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nayanam Galadashrudharaya Vadanam Gadgadarudhaya Giram Pulakair Nichitair Vapukadam Tavanama Grihane Bhavishyati. When we know the Mahatmya of this space shuttle, that this is the only way to get out of the gravitational pull, then we will not want to get out of it. We will not want to leave. And we get addicted to it. Yugaitam nimishena chakshusha pravarshyaitam shunyaitam jagat sarvam govinda vidahe name. Aslishya vapādaratam pinastu mam adarshanam marmahatam karotu vam yada tadha vidhatatam pato matprananathastu sayeva naparaha. Oh dear divine space shuttle Shri Harinam Prabhu matprananathastu, you are my prana. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Whoever hears or recites this Sri Sikshashtakam given by Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Taramatya Sarvasreshta Nama Sankirtana Niraparadhana Malele Paye Premadhanam. Of all the angas of Bhakti, Nam Sankirtana is the best because it is this Niraparadhanama that gives us Premadhana. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधरा श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य भगवान